Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Behance images. Alright, let's begin. First, open Behance and go to the project that contains the image you want to download. If you are the project owner, the process is simple and official. Open your project in the project editor so you can view all uploaded images. Next, hover your cursor over the image you want to save. When you see the blue pencil icon appear, click on it. From the available options, select Download Original. This will save the image in its original quality directly to your device. This method is safe, reliable, and does not require any third-party tools. If you want to download images from projects created by other users, keep copyright rules in mind. Behance does not provide an official download option for images that do not belong to you, especially for projects marked as All Rights Reserved. This is done to protect the work and ownership of creators. If you need an image from another project, the best option is to contact the creator directly and ask for permission. Many designers are open to sharing their work when asked respectfully. So, that's basically how you can download Behance images. That's it for this video. Thanks.